Snowmageddon 2016 has begun. So here comes the snow. It's already on the road. We're gonna hop in my F-150 trusty. It's already on the ground. The ground's frozen, so it's definitely on the ground. It's just coming down. So they say we're gonna get 2 foot. I think we might get a little more. They said it's coming. So here we go. Heading to the food bank and to the hardware store so I can work while I'm frozen in. Game on. It's only been snowing about 30 minutes, but it's already down on the roads and everywhere, so we're gonna get a real snow out of this, it looks like. I'm headed into the food bank over here and you're going to do what I do. You see the snow coming down. If you look at the light over there, pouring down snow. I just had to move my truck because somebody nearly hit it. Or it was parked up here. You see the skid marks right there. Where they came in from the road. Skidded right across there. See where they came to, right there where my truck was parked is the dark spot. Backed up and went back around to the center of the road and got away. They nearly hit me. But they skidded over, had to back up. So I moved it. And here you can see the snow coming down on that, pouring down in front of that light. The skid marks. Wow, look at my truck. Snow piles are already piled up. We've already got a good 5 inches on our vehicles. And this is the Snow Blizzard 2016. Something else, look at that. Poured down, roads covered. They're scraping as best they can, salting, but it's not getting it up. It's down on the road now. Be working through the night tonight. It's crazy. So now it's a statewide emergency, and we just heard that they're saying that no one's supposed to be out with state vehicles tonight. So there it is, folks. There's a scrape blade. So we've got over a foot of snow, and it is just coming down. So it looks like we will get the more than 2 foot at least. Just amazing to see this much snow. It's crazy on top of the cars. It's gonna disappear before tomorrow's over.